You've also got sets. All right, here he comes. I'm gonna try to sneak this because I think we're gonna tell something.
I had no boots. Recess.
Oh no, that's right.
Okay.
So.
Holy.
What?
What is all this?
What's all what?
David, no, hold on, it's not for you.
Actually, my buddy Marcus dropped it off. So asked us if we could store it for him for a little bit. Said not supposed to touch any of it though. Alright, actually, you know what you need to do? Is you need to thank Marcus for the gift that he brought you.
Thank you, Marcus.
It's quite a bit. Did you see it all?
That's a bin, that's a bin, that's a bin, that's a bin. No, that's a lot of bins. Ooh, a church. That looks like. Oh.
All, I'm pretty sure it's all HO.
Yeah, that looks like a.
Look at the sets.
What the heck?
Oh, look at the sets. These engines, right? These engines, the side fencings on some of them hasn't even been installed yet.
Halen, Santa Fe. I forget that.
Look at this one.
No.
Here, open this box up.
Holy crap. Well,
You might even want to say thank you, Uncle Marcus.
I don't know if I'm going snowboarding tonight.
What's that?
I might need to work on these.
Yeah?
Snowboarding.
Kind of figured that might be.
But
what
look
you
at all
wanted to do.
this.
Oh,
Look at
Steven
this.
down there.
Look
How's
at this.
the track?
Oh, check this thing out.
Have you seen one of those before?
That's-
It's a car you run on the track and it actually cleans the track.
Oh.
Isn't it cool?
Very helpful, yes. Sweet. Why is there metal on top?
Alright, listen, I gotta shut the video down.
Probably metal shards from something.
Yeah.
I gotta shut the video down.
Bye.
Thank you, Uncle Marcus.
Thank you.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, where are you gonna start?
Somewhere.
Look at this box
I know.
over here.
I know.
There's another box?
Yeah.
Well, it's the box of boxes.
Listen, some of these is just the boxes for some of the cars and trains.
I think most.
Some of them still have stuff that they've never been opened. I don't know what's what.
This is an old train kit for some kind of train. I don't know what. Oh my
Holy bajoli.
holy patchouli. What? A crane? And it's in here?
Come on.
Yeah.
Have you? Is this just like stuff you've dreamt of?
Yeah.
And you got it.
Yeah. I don't know if I have room for all the other stuff that the guy said that we were gonna give us the order.
I don't. You know what? I don't even need to pursue that guy now. He stole our $12 and we never saw anything.
Just so you know, I still have to make one more trip to go get the rest of the stuff. I couldn't fit it all.
There's more?
Stop it.
Yeah, no, seriously, there's more.
Oh, that's right. Tables.
No, well, it's the track that goes all around the entire wall, and there's more track, and there's more connectors, and then he's got one major panel where it's all the switches and the power for the train and stuff.
Why is he getting rid of all this?
Because he no longer uses them, and they're just boxes in his way at this time, and none of his children have interest in it, so
This is cool.
Same reason.
Marcus bought this for you as a gift.
So happy birthday, Merry Christmas forever.
Yeah.
So these are your lumber logs for
Oh.
your freight cars.
That's O
Here's
scale.
a-
That's
here's a
That's O
log.
scale.
Here's a log car.
Oh.
I don't even think that's ever been opened.
I want to rip it. Try and get this out.
no idea what this thing is.
I would
Center beam, flat load, high cascade lumber.
Oh, it's just more lumber.
Yep.
What is that?
Oh no, I think this might just be lumber. I don't know if the lumber car's in here.
Oh. Well, you got a lot of lumber, huh?
Apparently.
That's cool. All right.
Now, where is it gonna go?
See, I told you. That was close enough, wasn't it?
It was close. So.
It's gonna go in the basement in your training room when you organize it.
Dude, there's cranes in here, there's bridges in here.
Oh. How did you even get this back? Did you
In the
pick
back
it
of
up
his
back?
truck.
Yeah, I filled my whole
Got all
cab of my truck,
it
and I
was
filled
so-
1/3 of the bed.
was
Here's
snowing.
street signs, people.
What?
Here's a bridge. Check out this bridge.
Look at that bridge. You don't have
He's
one
got
of those yet.
lights, light posts, and stuff like that. And
I like to say that some people are nice, but some people are like over the top nice.
Look at this.
Oh my, that's a full fold out like kind of.
it's like a missile launcher or something.
Yeah, it's a missile launcher.
Oh, and
that
then
folds out.
my favorite one in here. Look at this.
Oh goodness.
Oh, here's
Oh,
another.
where's that black one?
All right. This one here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look, I don't even
Steam
think.
engine.
Listen,
Steam
it's
engine.
it's
Yeah,
opened,
yeah.
but
This
look
is
look
really-
at the packaging.
I know, but these are like really expensive steam engines. Like if you drop that, like that's like $300 down
There's
the
another
drain.
one in the living room.
Another box.
Another box like this, but it's a smaller one. It's a different engine.
It's a Santa Fe.
Look,
It's a
look at
Santa.
this
It's a
missile
Santa
launcher.
Fe. 9404.
Look at this missile launcher. It's a full. It's a trailer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then it opens up, and then the missiles come.
Oh
I
yeah.
don't know where the missiles
I'm
are.
sure they're in here somewhere.
Imagine so. Oh, trailers, tanker trailers.
Look at this.
building,
1,
box,
2, 3, 4. Look at this.
Flatbed, container trailers, spotlights.
And you haven't even gotten the electronics yet.
I haven't even gotten into these bins. I'm just
No, like I mean, we haven't even picked up the electronics yet from the guy's house.
Oh, there's more.
There's probably already.
Look at this. Too.
Look at these sets. I know they hasn't even
those
been
are-
opened.
These are huge.
Look
train
at these.
sets.
Look at these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, some of them are
These
just
are
filled
all-
with like grass and glue
Grass,
and trees.
I need glue. I don't need
Resin.
I don't think
Yeah.
we need to take a trip to Hobby Lobby for a while.
Long
No, I
time.
don't think
Here's all
so.
your- look at these telephone poles.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm glad I waited to build my layout.
See
Now
that?
I have all this.
See that? Our procrastination paid off.
Wait, I want to see the other. Little...
It's a Santa Fe.
Okay.
It might be a Santa Fe you've always wanted.
It's really nice, huh?
The rails.
Union Pacific.
Oh, Union Pacific. The rails have never even put on yet.
Oh yeah, the expensive kits come with the rails off of them.
Yeah, I know.
You have to put those on. I don't even know what.
We looked it up. They're
Send
worth.
those to Jeff.
they're
He'll
worth-
put those on.
They're worth
What's
about.
that?
I said send it to Jeff. He'll put those on.
I was gonna see if Jeff wanted to come over and see what we got.
I don't think he can get over here in that snow.
Not today.
No.
We gotta go through it first.
Wait.
But yeah, he was my first thought.
All right.
Bucket of trash.
Say
Got
trains.
Trees and bushes in
Say
here.
trains.
Trains over the top. Trains to the ceiling.
Trussels in here for your bridge work.
Nice. Sweet. Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh, look at this tower. That's cool. How awesome is that?
Yeah, we just saw it's a light.
Yeah, it's a light tower.
Oh goodness, what's in this one? Oh, I actually wanted container cars.
And there you go. You just got them.
There's container cars.
Look at that. I don't even think we need to clean these ones.
No, these ones are actually.
These ones are like perfect.
Look at all this stuff.
I can't believe that all the stuff we wanted just found us.
Did he put put a
Oh my
red-
gosh.
He put a
This is-
boxcar in a.
This is all the stuff that we wanted to buy.
Central
Literally.
Station.
It's literally all the stuff. You don't have to make it anymore, Jackson.
Wait, how much did we get all this for?
It was a gift.
Yeah.
Marcus bought it for you as a gift.
Yes.
Okay.
It was a good deal.
Okay. Holy.
And these are set up with lights.
This
so
is-
you
this-
hook them up to the
Yeah.
If you
supply
if
and
you
these
piece
houses light
if you
up.
pieced it all out, it's thousands of dollars worth of stuff, but
Oh yeah.
you would never do that. This is to keep. This is everything you need to do the layout you want to do.
So,
The layouts.
so how do you guys feel about adding an extension to the basement
I'm building myself a garage.
and possibly
You deal
the
with
house-
your own extension.
Ooh, I can build my
Why don't
train
you
set
just
in the attic of the garage.
Why don't you just go up the wall around the
wall
room,
is
around the room.
hard.
Hey, you have a whole
No, you're getting a whole wall track coming.
24-foot span that you can do a hill incline
I
on.
guess I'm going in the wall. On the wall here.
You could go back and forth like a mountain or something.